Okay class, get out your chemistry books. Read pages 397 through 421 in order to complete the worksheet I just gave you. This is due tomorrow, so start working on it right now. Please be quiet. Don't be disruptive to others that are trying to get the science homework done for tomorrow. Speaking of which, where is Caillou? She's been gone for 15 minutes.
She had to go to the bathroom because she had a stomachache.
Quick, get under your desks right now, and whatever you do, do not leave under any circumstances.
私が実行しなきゃ。怒って自信があります。
Oh no. Not my little sister. No 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 no. Why?
Oh my god. Caillou's at school. I gotta hurry before it's too late. Oh Caillou, thank goodness you're safe. I thought you were already dead by now.
Yeah! I thought the same thing would happen to you too, Mom. I'm just so surprised that I made it through the earthquake alive and well. That's all.
Let's go home. You're no longer grounded for 10 years. We are having Pizza Hut for dinner tonight.
Can we go to Chuck E. Cheese's instead?
No.
Thank you so much for watching today's chaotic adventure. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye.